In the each section, I have the space. Okay. The space is just minimum we can maintain the 30. The value is not perfectly is going to divide it. We can add something. We can adjust it. Okay. Just how we are going to handle it. So anyway, calculator is there in my taskbar. 1, 2, 3. This from the 990, I'm minusing, just I'm subtracting 90. You have the 900s. This 90 I removed. 30, 30, 30 I removed. I subtracted. Divided by 4. Okay, exactly. It's going to divide it. Okay. So how many TDs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 TDs are there. Out of that, these 4 TDs are with a 225 width and height is a 225. Sorry, 200. And these are with a 30. Alternately, we can place. Right. Just simply what I'm going to do, just I'm going to copy this. It is over and I'm coming here. In the 180 area, I'm coming like this. What is this? Cards I'm talking about. Cards nested table comes here. This is the commenting. Commenting is very, very important for you. Not only for you, if somebody is going to use your file, they need to understand what you are doing. Unless it will be more confusing, they need to wait until your availability. Okay, because actually the entire project will be created between the teams. One team will be the one shifter, one team will be working in India, and one team will be working in another area. So commenting only important to understand at what purpose you wrote the code. And coming down, Control V. Border is, for the time being, I'm going to make it 1. So one table we created. Only one row is there. For one row, TR should be there. In this, how many TDs I am talking about? 7. TD, what we could do? TD into 7, right? 7. Okay. Alternately, I am going to place my cursor. In the first, I am going to make it height equal to 180. Then I'm going to place my cursor alternatively. Width equal to 225. Another alternative width is 30. Here, I need from the 180, I'm going to make 100 pixels height and 225 width elements I want to create. So let us see this. Who are completely the developers? I can arrange you something small Figma classes to make the design at least. చక్రి నీకోసమే చెప్తున్నాను నేను ఒక ఆ సెషన్స్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు అటెండ్ అవ్వు ఓకే సో ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ సో ఎనీవే దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ height is width is 225 height is 100 even corner radius I'm going to maintain as the 20 all this I'm going to export the layers where under the images Windows 7 only, right? Save. Then I'm going to extract it. Extract all. Zero 1. Naming is important. What is this? Noodles. Zero two. And this is pasta, right? And this is tandoori. Okay. All these things I'm going to keep in the images area only. Okay. Now these are all in the under the images. Okay. And coming here. Better make like this for the more readability. IMG src equal to dot slash images. IMG src equal to dot slash images 2. Even if you are going to write it here also, your VS Code adjusts this, right? IMG src dot slash images pasta. Close it. IMG src equal to dot slash images tandoori. Okay. Go to the view and the word wrap and just hide it. Right click, format document. Properly it arranges. Okay. Come back here. Got it. So only the thing is, in the HTML, automatically by default, all the elements is going to place in vertically in the center. So I need to make adjust in the top. So for that, one attribute is there. That is the V align. Coming here, holding the Alt here. V align equal to top. V align is equal to top. So here I want to make some content. So come down here. One, two, three, four. Enter. H3. Align equal to center. This is. So I'm going to change this. So again, right? Lorem, 15 words will be enough, right? 15. Let us see, 15 is actually getting more, I guess. 10 will be okay. Okay. So, but the thing is, these elements to be placed in the paragraph. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Enter P. Okay. Lorem 8. Okay. Again, align equal to center. Okay. Now I remove this one also. Which one? This one also I'm going to remove. 0. So after completion of this also, just you can remove, you can make the 0 to the main table also. So it looks fine. Okay. So your content is continue from your side and arrange the rest of the things also. Take any reference how the about will be, how the this will be, last footer will be. So for example, I'm for the footer, I'm going to make one BG color. So BG color, just any BG color. This BG color I want. What is the hexadecimal? This is the hexadecimal color. Control C. Coming here, where is the footer? In the footer area, in the TD only, BG color equal to hash control V. Okay, BG color equal to this. So by tomorrow, all you guys need to present it at entire end-to-end landing page. Okay, once it's going to complete it, we can go for the CSS part.